Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm LaDonna and I'm back with another video. I am back with another video. So in today's video, I'm coming to you guys with the Ipsy box. With the Ipsy box for the month of December 2025. The box is like $32 a month. You get 5 full-size items, and that can range from skincare, hair products, perfume, makeup tools, things like that. And you do get to choose 3 of the either 2 or 3 or 5 of those items in that box. What's up? The box always comes with a card, and this is for December. And it says, "Play Beauty, Spread Joy." Boom. We're just gonna go through the products. I don't see any products on there, so let's get into these products. So, first things first. So the first item I'm pulling out the box is this palette right here. This is a blush palette by Real Her. It's called "You Are Brilliant." Boom. Right here. There's the back. It's kind of like it's a plastic, kind of cheap material, but the blush is pretty. This is the blush that I have on right here. Very pretty, very, very pretty blush. Let me show y'all. So that shade is called Genuine, and it's this one right here. Yes, yes, yes. That's really pretty, y'all. And I love me a good blush. This is really pretty. So we have 6 blush shades, okay? I'm gonna swatch these. I don't know if they're gonna show up like the browner ones, but let's do these. And there's a couple of them have a little shimmer to it. So there's the first 3. So here are the first 3 in the top row right here. Uh-oh. I'm sure that one's not gonna show up as much. Let me wipe my damn hand off. That's so lazy of me. This, and this. Okay. So they did show up pretty good, actually. So that's the first 3 shades in the top row right there. Pretty nice. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. Let's go for boom, boom, and boom. So we got the bottom row. Those are pretty light. So this one, was that one? No, you do see that one. I think it's either, I don't know which one didn't really show up so good. Let me see, was it this one? Oh no, pretty much showed up. And again, you can use this. Let me try to see if I can use this one for a highlighter. Let me see. I'm gonna use one of the shimmer shades. I'm gonna try to use this shimmery blush right here for a highlighter. And I don't have any highlighters on right now. I mean, I don't know. That may be a little bit too dark for me, but anyways, you can use your blush for whatever you want. Obviously, that really doesn't look too good on me for a highlighter, but You can use your blushes for highlighter, eyeshadow, and whatever else you feel the need to use it for, okay? You gotta utilize these, okay? Multi-purpose. So that is the blush palette by Real Her, and it is called You Are Brilliant. I like this. Again, the packaging isn't like great, you know what I'm saying? But the product inside, I guess, is what count. So I like this, and I will be using these blush shades. So that's the first item in our box, okay? All right, the second item in the box is a Gloss Bomb Oil by Fenty, okay? And it is in the shade, what is it, Amber Rose? Rose Amber. And it's in the shade Rose Amber. This is so pretty, y'all. Very, very pretty. Very pretty. So that's what it looks like. It's really shiny and really sparkly. And I wore this yesterday. And it held up all day. But the reason why I held up all day because I didn't eat or drink it. I think I might have drank some water and coffee, but I didn't eat food, so it held up pretty good. I thought this was so pretty. So I think I chose this. As a matter of fact, I know for sure I chose this. So this is the Gloss Bomb Oil by Fenty. And this is very, very pretty. Again, it's in the shade Amber Rose or Rose Amber. Very pretty. Mwah. That's the second item in our box, okay? Okay, the third item in the box is by Misha, and this is a dual-ended eyeshadow stick. Now, this is what I had on the back of my hand before I wiped it off. This was okay. It wasn't all that at all. So you got two shades right here. You got this purple metallic shade, and then you got this brown shade that looks like a plum, like a deep plum, but I'm just gonna say brown. So this is a shade right here that I got on the lids, and it didn't go on like smooth like I thought it would. It was kind of tugging and kind of dry, and I didn't like that. I didn't like that at all. I don't want to have to like press down so hard on your, that's thin skin up there. So when you're pulling and tugging on the skin, especially with this skin being so thin above the eyes, it's not a great feeling to me. And I'm not really big on eyeshadow sticks, but I find that they're very for convenient for last minute looks because you can just pop the lid off and throw it on and go. And then also for beginners, for people who are learning how to do eyeshadows, you know what I'm saying? So I really wasn't really digging this. Again, it's pretty, very pretty shade, and it went on very smooth on the back of my hand, but like I said, it's kind of tugging. It's not as, it's too harsh. I feel like it's too harsh. And then again, I tried to blend it as well, and I think it might be waterproof, which is a good thing. But when I try to blend it out, blend the edges out because you just don't want to throw it on the lid and just leave it. Well, I don't. I don't want that line of demarcation showing, so I kind of want to blend it in up here a little bit, and it wouldn't blend. So, and then I use this right here for a lip liner. So that's what I'll use this for. It's pretty damn good for a lip liner. And as far as using it for like an eyeshadow, it's pretty, but it's a little bit too harsh, and I got too many choices to wanna play around with this and have it tugging on the eye. So this is a no. It's pretty, but this isn't for me. And again, I'll use this for a lip liner because it goes on so smooth, and it's such a very pretty color for the lips. So that's our third item in our box. The fourth item in the box is by Persona, and this is a lip balm right here. This felt really good on the lips. I've only tried it one time, but I love me a nice lip balm. It's a colored lip balm right here, and it's a little sticky. It's a little sticky, but again, it's pretty. It's nice on the lips. It's winter. Lips get chapped. At least mine's do. And I don't mind if it's a little sticky, but it's a lip balm, and we're gonna use it again for these big brown chapped lips. Okay, so that's the fourth item in our box. The fifth item in the box is this concealer right here, and I freaking love Shape Tape. Every concealer that I've had from Tarte has been wonderful for me. But this is a radiant. This is the Shape Tape Radiant Concealer, and I had it on the eyes today. I wore it yesterday. Now I don't know what the claims are. I don't, because I didn't even look them up. Um, but I do know for sure this is long lasting. They're very, very hydrated underneath the eyes. Like, look at this. So I've had this on for, I would say, at least 2 hours. At least 2 hours, and you don't have any creasing. And I wore it yesterday all day, like all day. And I didn't pay attention yesterday when I had it on all day, and it was at least 10 hours wear. But the eyes still looked really full. They looked good. Um, Nothing. It's not too thick. Like I said, it's very hydrating, very creamy to go on. This is a very, very excellent concealer. Like, I love this concealer. I wish I could have got this just a shade lighter, but it's still really pretty. It's really pretty, and I'm gonna wear it. It's okay. And if I want to lighten it up, I'll just lighten it up with some powder. So it went on very pretty, and I usually let it sit just for a few seconds. No, few seconds, few minutes, however long you want to leave it sit, so it can dry a little bit to get more coverage. But I really enjoyed this. I really thought it was so nice. This is so good, y'all. Just adding a little more. Let me get my okay. I'm gonna leave it like this, y'all. But anyways, I love this. I love Shape Tape. I love the concealers. It is bomb. It is bomb, bomb, bomb. So that's what it looked like. And for those of you whose skin tone is the same as mine, or would just even like to know the shade of this, it is 47H10 Deep Honey. So that is our fifth item in the box. Our last and final item in the box, y'all. This is my beauty booth that I picked, and this is the Makeup by Mario, the Ethereal Eyes, the Moonlight palette. And I love Makeup by Mario. This is it right here. This is the back. And this is our beautiful palette. I love me some eyeshadow palettes. I just haven't been off into makeup because I've been having other things going on. But I'm definitely gonna get on here and start doing more eyeshadow looks, because that's what I love. I love makeup. I love doing hair. I love doing my hair. I love doing makeup. I love perfumes. I just love all things beauty, and I'm gonna try and get back into like doing these videos. So here it is right here. The shimmer shades look absolutely stunning. So freaking beautiful. Y'all, I'm gonna swatch it. I don't even want to touch it. Let me swatch some. Y'all know I go straight for the shimmer shades. I cannot help myself. I cannot. So there are 4 of the shimmer shades. And I know they could have been better than that, but there are 4 shimmer shades. So beautiful. So that is our Ipsy box, you guys. Let me know what you received in the Ipsy box down below in the comments. Did you like yours? Did you not? And I know this palette been out for at least a year or 2, maybe. But it's gorgeous. I love this. I think this was like one of my favorite items, including the concealer and the lip oil. Did you guys try the Gloss Bomb by Fenty? Let me know down below. I like that oil. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I will see all you beautiful, blessed people in my next freaking video. I am LaDonna, and I'm out. Bye, y'all. Bye.